All right. This is my Rails app. It's called Jamsesh. The purpose of this video is to just demonstrate how a user would interact with my web app here. The purpose of this web application is to connect musicians who want to make music, even if they're only kind of casual. To start, you need to make a profile. You can either create a new one or log in, and you can log in via GitHub. So to sign up, really the only required field is username and password, of course. And if you try to sign up without creating a unique username or password, it'll tell you your errors. Let's see. Let's see. So we'll just add some stuff in there. And rock and roll, obviously. All right, cool. So we logged in. Your username is what's unique. That's really what identifies you. So that's what it shows you here and here. If we wanted to log back in, we're going to have to log in by his username. That's Woody. If you wanted to, we could add the email, and that's how in the future we could log in via GitHub. And actually, I do have that working, so I'm just going to demonstrate that. So this isn't my actual GitHub. I'm logged into a GitHub with a public email. My email was private. So when if you try to log in via GitHub and your user profile is private, it'll return nil. So we can't actually log in. Let's kind of demonstrate that here. So now I'm logged in as my actual GitHub. Come back over here and try to log in via GitHub. Basically, what that's saying is that we know we got that request environment back. We know that you're trying to log in via GitHub. We can see some information, but when we look at the email, it equals nil. So like you must have your email set to private. So that's why. All right, so that won't work. But log in as an actual user here, you can kind of see some stuff. So as a user, I guess profile page, you have like your basic user's information, however committed they are, how casual or how serious. The primary instrument, location. I'm not in any jam crews. I think I was in one and then I left, but you can rejoin. So this is a post that I made on a band's profile page. Needs more cowbell. And then these are this is a post. So it's comments don't have titles. So this is the title of the post that I commented on, and it kind of tells you when you commented. So I think the name of this band was something about like Omniscient or something like that, and Jake was confused. So yep, there's that. Just comment. You can go back to your user page. So I'll go and let's look at all the bands that there are out there. These are all the bands that are on my website right now, the location and the tags. You can also view all these bands by the tag. So it'll list all the different tags and the bands that fall into that category. For right now, really only Thrash is the one that has two categories. And I guess it'll display it even if there's nothing there. So I created some test tags. I was testing. I created a tag called DDD, and then I deleted the band, but the tag still exists. So that's not really a problem. That's okay. Maybe in the future I would change that. All right, so let me join a band right now. So right now let's join Buddy at the Beach. Right now it's just Buddy playing ukulele. To join a band, you go to the edit band page and update just like this. You can also add tags. So these are actually separate forms. I think if I submit this, it's going to redirect me back here. So that's not saved, but we'll do that. What is this going to be? I think it's going to be acoustic. It'll be on the beach. And I'll update that automatically, and I'll just redirect you back here. Cool. So let's join. All right, cool. So for the members, so this is the band show page. It shows you the band's information, their location, the associated tags for right now. It also shows you your members. You have Buddy, that's the username, and that's their instrument. We can write a message to the band. Be like Friday. Let's jam this Friday. Friends Friday beach. All right, cool. Sounds good to me. So you can post that message on this band page. Then later on, literally, I guess anybody could go and view that post, and then they can comment on it. I could have that comment right now as well. Like, I'm going alone if you don't come. All right. Cool. And so what was I gonna say? All right. On your profile page, if you're viewing the user show page of the current user, you get the leave band button. So that's the only way you can leave a band. If we went to somebody else's show page, let's see, this is posted by me. All right, so we're gonna have to go to somebody else's. Jake, let's go to Jake's. Jake is in Jam Cruise, but I don't have that, the button to leave because I can't make Jake leave the bands that he's in. Similarly, I don't know if I demonstrated this yet, but I can't delete this band. If I go to the edit band, I'm not a member right now. So if I try to delete the band, it'll let me submit it, but it'll tell me you can't do that. Cool. So let's cancel, let's change, let's go back. There's a band there. What else do we have? So we can view all the bands. We can view bands by tag. We can join bands. We can create bands. I don't know if we've done this yet. Let's see. So I'm going to create a new band. When you create a new band, you're automatically added. Current user is always added to the band that you're in. Let's do it with, I'm going to make myself a band called Moscow Mules. And, this one's going to be right in Oakland. And I do have a bandmate. Who's my bandmate? Franklin's Ghost. That's my cat's email. I made a GitHub with my cat's email. Called Franklin's Ghost. Pretty random. Oh yeah, what's your style? We'll make it grunge. Cool. Cool. That's pretty much it. The profile is the home page. We can create bands. Edit profile. I can edit whatever I want. You can view all bands. Yep, that's pretty much it. That's my app. It's supposed to connect musicians, and that's basically it. Cool.